Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Advanced Charts. To begin, simply tap the chart icon on any stock's detail page to unlock powerful analytical tools. Switch to full screen mode for an expansive view, allowing you to scrutinize every price fluctuation. You can easily observe candlestick patterns, which provide a visual representation of price action, helping you understand market sentiment and potential reversals. This easy method empowers your investment decisions. Customizing your chart view is straightforward. You can easily adjust timeframes ranging from a single day to 5 years to analyze both short-term fluctuations and long-term trends. Enhance your analysis by adding various technical indicators, such as moving averages, directly onto your chart. Furthermore, you have the option to compare up to 4 different assets simultaneously, providing a clear picture of their relative performance and helping you spot opportunities. Understanding key technical indicators is crucial for informed decisions. Moving averages, for instance, smooth out price data, making it easier to identify the underlying trend direction. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, helps measure momentum, signaling when an asset might be overbought or oversold. Additionally, Bollinger Bands illustrate market volatility and can pinpoint potential price reversal points, offering valuable insights into price action. Now, let's apply these insights. You can identify crucial support and resistance levels directly on your charts, which are vital for making informed trading decisions. Drawing trend lines helps visualize the direction and strength of price movements, giving you a clearer market perspective. For a more robust analysis, combine 2 or 3 different indicators, allowing you to confirm signals and build greater confidence in your investment strategies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.